Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm building my first gaming computer and I thought I'd reveal the first component that I just received today. And it is the new Samsung SSD, the 970 Evo. This is only the 500 gigabyte, but it still have the same speeds as the 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte. So yeah, let's get to unboxing. On first glance, this product looks very nice and very sleek. In upcoming videos on other products, including this one, I will be producing benchmarks with sequential reads and writes for the specific product to test the real speed of this SSD. I'll also be testing game load times because that's very important to many gamers in this community that want the fastest load times. It's rumored that the sequential read and write is somewhere between like 2,500 megabits per second up and down. Also, because it is M.2, it'll always beat out any of those SATA SSDs or really just blow hard drives out of the water. You'll see like also crazy boot times with this. I imagine the boot time will probably be somewhere around 8 to 6 seconds, guarantee it. So thanks for watching the unboxing. It's pretty quick, but it's alright. See you next time. Thanks for watching. See you later on the next one, coming soon. Bye.